New species of insect found living in the South American rainforest. While exploring the rainforests of Suriname, Trond Larsen managed to capture an image of a minuscule insect measuring approximately 5 millimeters, equivalent to 1/5 of an inch. The insect possesses a remarkable feature in the form of a tuft of hair protruding from its posterior, which experts believe to be a waxy substance secreted by many planthoppers from their abdomen as a defense mechanism against predators and parasites. The insect is likely a type of planthopper, which is a group of insects known for their ability to jump and their plant-feeding habits. The tuft of hair protruding from the insect's posterior is a waxy secretion that many planthoppers excrete from their abdomen as a means of defense against predators and parasites. This waxy substance is thought to serve a variety of purposes. First, it may make the insect less palatable to predators by making it difficult to swallow or digest. Second, it may help to repel parasites such as mites or fungi that might try to attach themselves to the insect's body. Finally, the wax may also help to regulate the insect's body temperature by reflecting sunlight and reducing heat absorption. While the specific species of planthopper that Trond Larsen photographed is not identified, there are many different types of planthoppers found in rainforests around the world. These insects are important members of their ecosystems, playing a role in plant pollination and providing food for other animals. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Please also leave your comments and we love to hear from you.